Okay, so here's the thing. I am really stressed and under a lot of pressure at the moment with uni and homework and living in a new city, living a new life, missing my family and friends. It's all a bit too much. And on Sunday it got really too much, and there were a lot of things that gone wrong. One of them being that after 4 hours of editing the weekly vlog, the editing program decided to just shut down and forget everything I've done. So that's the reason that didn't go up on Sunday. Sorry for that. And I really enjoy vlogging, and I think I'll continue doing that. Also because it's a great speaking exercise for myself for learning English. But I think not only because it's a lot of extra pressure and a lot of extra editing stuff, but also because I feel at the moment all I really do is get up, go to uni, do my homework, watch YouTube, go to sleep. So there's not really anything I can vlog, and as I said, it's a lot of stress. So I am going to edit the vlog, the weekly vlog I didn't edit on Sunday. That I did edit on Sunday, but didn't upload because the program striked. Yeah, so you will see that now. But I think this will be my last weekly vlog. I might do some daily vlogs, weekly vlogs, just when I really have something to show you and to share with you. Maybe just random videos going up on Sunday with just some stuff that I felt like I could vlog and that I felt like sharing with you. Yeah, and as I said, I will of course continue making videos. I really like that. I did actually just film a real video, so I'm gonna continue that. But I'm gonna take the extra pressure of a weekly vlog off myself. So yeah, just thought I'd explain that to you. And now have fun watching my weekly vlog from last week. Hey guys! It is Monday, so I've just come back from my first uni lessons. It was cultural studies and linguistics of phonetic and phonology. So yeah, well, this is not really as comfortable as I hoped it would be. Yeah. Yeah. So cultural studies was really great. The professor is so cool. He's really young and he lived in England for a few years, I guess. Yeah, and he really likes what he's talking about, and that's cool. That makes fun listening to him. No, I have to change position. Yeah. Yeah, so that he's really cool. Also knew someone in that lesson. And then was linguistics, but that professor is, let's say, difficult. So I'm kind of bored, and since there are now actually people around in this flat, I decided that I'm gonna make some muffins and just put them in the kitchen for everyone to eat. Hello there. What day is it? It's Tuesday. Look at how beautiful it is. Really, really nice. Yeah. But today I've got only one lesson, and that's at 12 o'clock, so we do have some time left. I already had my breakfast and cereal time. But the lesson is in a building I didn't see before, so I'm probably gonna go a bit earlier to find the building and then find the room. Hey guys, I'm back from the lesson. It was really, really cool. It was integrated language skills, which basically includes reading, writing, speaking and listening, and like grammar and stuff like this. So it basically just is the language, using the language itself, which is basically why I'm studying English, because I want to learn how to use the language. So it's really cool, and the professor is really, really nice. And the weather is still really nice. It's really sunny and like autumnal and everything. So I'm gonna have lunch now and like just sit a bit and maybe even already read the text we have for homework, because it's quite a short text. And then I'm gonna go out and take some pictures, because, you know, I need some sunshine for my wall. It is Wednesday and I'm just back from my lesson, speaking English lesson. It started quite early and I didn't know where the room was. So me and this guy that's also in the lesson walked around the whole building for like 20 minutes or so, asked everyone where the room was, and they all said different things. We did find it in the end and we weren't too late, so it was all fine, but it was a bit stupid kind of. But yeah, now we know that it's like at the end of the world. I also thought that there would be a lesson afterwards where to go, but it turned out it's always that only starts next week. But yeah, it was spoken English and it was actually quite funny, because he gave us like, it's about yeah, how you say words mostly. It's about pronunciation, and he gave us quite a lot of like advice how to improve our pronunciation, and a lot of things were like talking to yourself, listening to like English speakers and stuff like this. And all I ever thought, like with everything he said, I always thought YouTube, 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 YouTube. So yeah, I'm guessing I am already practicing. So I took a quick shower and now I've got little fairy lights and some autumnal apple candles and stuff, and I'm watching a child's TV show because I refuse to grow up. Yeah, I guess I'm not gonna do anything more today. As I said, later on I'm gonna watch The 100 and Skype with my best friend. I'm looking forward to that. But other than that, I'll see you tomorrow.